Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Inside Marie's Head or to my Instagram What's on Marie's Head. Thank you for joining me. I'm Marie. So today I'm doing a combination video. Whoosh, you can see the ring light of my glasses. Anyhow, I'm doing a combination video of my Instagram series and fifth wheel living, RV living, and my keto cooking series, but I'm also going to be cooking something traditional that's not keto. So I decided to combine them both. So let me put you on the stand. Yeah, okay, I almost messed that up. By the way, I am not wearing a wig or anything today. This is my natural hair that I washed and deep conditioned. So I'm just letting it hang, however, and whatever, you gotta give your scalp a break. Anyhow, let's get to the point. Today I'm making individual, personal pizzas for my 15-year-old son and for myself. He doesn't do a keto diet. So for him, we are gonna use regular flour tortillas. For myself, I'm gonna use the Mission Carb Balance, and these are the ones that are 3 net carbs, 70 calories per. So they're like the medium size. They have small ones that are like 2 carbs, 45 calories. We're both gonna have pepperoni on the pizzas, mozzarella, and for our sauce, his will be made with the regular pizza sauce. Mine is gonna be made with the Rao's, however you want to pronounce it. And this is a quarter cup is 1 serving, which is 40 calories, 2 net carbs, but it does have 2 grams of sugar. So if you have concerns about that, be mindful. I use extremely low sugar, first of all, because I do keto, low carb, and second, because I'm hypoglycemic, so I should not be eating a ton of sugar anyway. All right. Okay, so when it comes to fifth wheel living, RV living, um, this is the part where I have to get creative because not all the time do I have the easiness that I will have in a house due to the appliances being smaller or whatever. The point is, I cook outside a lot on the griddle, the gas griddle. We also barbecue a lot because right now it's summer and it's so hot, and you don't want to be using the gas stove or oven inside and heating this place up, because even though ours is pretty comfortable and spacious for us, it's still a small space in comparison to a house, right? So I was like, okay, how am I gonna do this? So first idea was I was gonna do it in the griddle side, put the flour tortillas on it, put the toppings, but then I figure out, okay, that's not gonna work because the tortilla is gonna get toasted too fast and my toppings are not gonna even barely warm up, much less melt the cheese. And like I said, it's hotter than Hades out, so I don't want to stand out there doing nothing. Now the second idea I had was, okay, I'm going to toast the tortillas on a pan on the stove, because that only takes a few seconds. So I'm only gonna have the stove on for a couple minutes, and then we put the toppings on it, nook it in the microwave for 30-40 seconds, whatever, so the cheese melts, the pepperoni and the sauce is warm. Well, that was a no, because my biggest pan that I at the moment have out of storage and in my kitchen does not fit this size tortilla, and it will be more like a, coming up on the size. That's not gonna work. I don't know, it might, but maybe I should try it. But then it's gonna give it that weird shape because that's how it's gonna toast, and it'd be kind of a pizza pie. Oh gosh. Yeah. So last idea, and this is what I'm actually gonna end up doing, is I'm going to assemble them in a microwave plate, then put it in the microwave, get the sauce hot, the cheese mostly melted, the pepperoni sizzling, and then very carefully I'm going to slide that into my oven grill, which I cover with foil paper because I don't have a cookie sheet that fits this oven yet. So, you know, gotta do what you gotta do. So I am going to assemble that and I'll show you when they're ready to go on step one. All right, so they are assembled. Let me lower this a little bit. Hopefully this won't fall. And here's the one for my son. I have it on a microwave safe plate. I could have used my, regular dinner dishes, but they're a little bit more concave. This will keep it more straight. And here is mine. So now my oven is already heating up. I don't leave my private light on because I hardly ever use it at this point because I rather cook outside or whatever. But they're ready going to the microwave, so I'm gonna start with his. Okay, so this just came out of the microwave. It was there for about 50 seconds, and I'm getting ready to put it in the oven. Hopefully you can see, and I am going to just pretty much slide it there and hope for the best. Oh goodness. Okay, so now it's soft. So this is maybe not such a good idea. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm back. Yes, my whole light, camera thing fell down. So I managed to put it in there. Let me show you. And let me hold this while I do that. It's in there. I have a huge spatula that I use to, assist me. So let's wait a few minutes and see. All right, so this oven idea is not really working and it's getting really hot and I feel like I'm wasting gas. So, I'm telling you the failures too because I'm staying real. And also so that you don't make the same mistake. So I got my pan out. I'm gonna try to get his back into his plate. It's nice and melted. Might end up being a calzone because it's definitely not toasted. So yeah, I am very strategically using my big spatula here to try to salvage this situation. I'm not doing a very good job because this is breaking. And I just got myself in. Okay, so this is what happened. Not good. No. It's all nice and melted. It's not toasted. You want me to do another one, or you want to eat this with a fork and knife? I mean, I'm trying to get it from underneath itself, if I can do that, but yeah. It's proving to be difficult, and I think at this point it's more of a calzone. If you put it in half, this is what we're going to do. And eat it with a fork and knife. Alright, so, well, there's that for that experiment. So I have a really nice kid that is eating it like that because, he don't want to waste food. But now I'm going to go to the second method I'm going to try, which is taking mine and putting it on the pan first, toasting it, and then putting it in the microwave to melt the cheese and get the pepperoni sizzling and whatever. So we'll see if that works any better. But my flour tortilla is smaller, so it fits in my pan. All right, I got mine on the pan. There it is. Gonna wait till that tortilla starts, you know, getting nice and toasty. And then I'm gonna transfer it back to my plate and we'll see if it needs to go in the microwave or not. All right, so mine is out of the pan. It's toasted underneath. Cheese is melted, but it still needs a little bit more melting, so I'm just gonna stick it in the microwave for a few seconds. All right, so it's melted enough for me. It's nice and hot and toasted on the bottom. You know, it's a tortilla, so it's still gonna be kind of flimsy, but I can actually cut it. So there it is. Also, we decided to add some garlic powder. We, as in my son, asked for it. I'm like, that's a great idea. And, you know, it is toasted, so it'll give you a little bit of, not crunch, but like not soft. And I would just fold it like this. Definitely melted. Tastes really good. Tastes just like pizza. Should, but lesson I taken from this is from here on, just put it on the pan no matter how big the tortilla is, and then kind of fold it in half and, you know, toast both sides and make it a calzone, and your life will be a whole lot easier. Because, you know, we're not making traditional pizza. Either that or buy a frozen one that fits your oven. And voila. If you don't mind heating up your kitchen. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video with accidents and failures and all. And hopefully, if you're watching me on YouTube, you subscribe. Give this video a like and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload videos. And if you're watching me on Instagram, then go ahead and follow me. Thank you. I will see you in the next one.